Thanks for viewing this property. Please contact me by email at chip@chiplanders.com or call my cell phone at 772-473-7888 for further information. Beautifully updated 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage pool home in Central Beach. Steps to beach, shops, restaurants and all the amenities. Nearly 2,200 square feet west, a lovely open floor plan perfect for entertaining. Wonderful outdoor living area west, large pool, lanai and beautifully landscaped yard. Come see all the improvements including new tile, kitchen and appliances. Room sizes approximately and subject to error.